Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be starting a series. It's February 22nd and it is the start of the 100-day project. So I have been having so much fun making these little collage pages. I am going to try and do 100 days of pages. So I already have a bunch of my backgrounds already painted, and then I'm going to be taking each day using a different tool or a different idea, different type of paper, and making some marks. So it'll be 100 different days of mark making. I already have my list going. I have over 100 ideas, so it should give me a lot of ideas to work with. But for the very first day, I'm actually just going to use some dot mandala tools. They're just plastic tools. They are flat on each end. This is a set of 8. I will have them linked in the description below, but there's 8 different sizes, and I want to just play around with what types of designs I can make with each of these. And I just have some white paint and some black paint. I do have this one page that I did a white background, so I was thinking about doing black dots on the foreground. Or I also have some of these turquoises and greens, and I might use one of those instead on this page. But this is just kind of a way, some of the videos might be short, some might be a little bit longer, but it's just a way to really practice with some mark making tools for myself and to see what types of things I can create in 100 days. I know when I've worked on these pages in the last couple of weeks, some of them don't take long. Videos may be a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Some of the longer ones maybe a half hour. But let me know if you want to watch when I paint the backgrounds. I do have a few previous videos that show you just how I decide to just paint the backs. But this is just some green and some light blue, and it just blends to make some really beautiful colors. So I want to just start making some fun designs on here with my dot making tools. So I'm just going to put some of my white paint down and make sure you can see that. I'm starting with my largest one, and I'm just going to start making some dots. I'm going to try and do them a little bit evenly because I want to take some of the other sizes and also use those. Oh, and didn't get enough paint on that one. Again, this is just a really fun way to practice and make some fun little art pages that you can use for other projects. I had a lot of fun around Valentine's Day making the Valentine's Day cards, and I just really want to keep going with this. It's not perfect. There's a lot of messiness to it. My hands are actually covered in paint right now, so I just put on some gloves. But I like how easy it is to do these and just how many different ideas and techniques you can come up with. So I'm going to do one more up here. Oh, I like that already. I really like just having the white on top of that really bright colored background. So I'm just going to keep going with these dots, and then we're going to do a different design on that page. I really like that. So I was going to try putting some of these smaller ones in, but I actually really like how much space I have in between, and you can see a lot of that color. So I'm going to leave this one as is, but again, I have some really dark areas. I have some areas that you can see the paint coming through, and I love that. I think cutting up portions of this for a background piece would be really pretty. I really like how light those areas came in, so I'm glad everything isn't uniform and that they all don't look the same. Okay, so I am going to start just with my large dot down here, but then I am going to switch to some of these smaller ones and do a design around it. So I think I'm going to do this one. All right, so I'm gonna leave this one like that. I do like some of that space in between. Again, if you're just using these as collage pages and you're gonna cut them out, it doesn't have to be completely filled in. If you wanna fill it in, you can, but I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna move on to my last page of the day. that one was fun. Not perfect, but still cute. I think that would be, again, cutting out some of these sections for a little background on a collage page. But these all turned out so nice. Those and this one is my favorite, but I'm also a huge fan of green. Green is my favorite color, so having so much of that green show through on here, I'm really liking how that one turned out. So in just my own artwork, I'd probably be doing more of this pattern. I also like the larger circles, but I do like how many I was able to get on this one, and just that white background. Also with some of the words showing through on the book page. I really like that. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you also follow along for hopefully the next 100 days while I work on this. But first day down, I have plenty of ideas, and again, like if you'd like to see me paint the background pages before I do the mark making, let me know and I can change up the format of my videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.